Imagine a time before electricity. When it got too hot, you opened a window for fresh air. When it was too dark inside to read, you stepped into the sunlight. When you wanted to socialize, you actually gathered. 88% of the time, the temperature in Irvine, California is perfect, and these simple, electricity-free solutions are enough. In a world flooded with technology, Y House is designed so the complicated, expensive systems are not being used when these simple solutions are sufficient. Marketed for young professionals, Y House takes a step back to re-emphasize what makes a home in the first place: comfort, healthy living, and community.
Simplicity starts with construction. Standardized dimensions allow the house to be constructed in 2 equally sized modules, easily transportable in a flatbed truck for assembly on site. A specialized mechanical core, the brains of the house, is built outside of the factory. This closet-sized box easily slides into the house, connecting to the piping, ductwork, and wiring located in the service wall and drop ceiling of the house. This means that as technologies change, Y House adapts.
In the Y House, when it gets hot, you can open a window. Our linear configuration maximizes airflow, so that most of the time natural ventilation is sufficient. Our heating and cooling systems are smart and know when to shut off automatically based on temperature, humidity, and carbon monoxide levels. This minimizes energy loads and improves air quality inside the house. All of these systems are easily accessible in the mechanical core. The Y House features abundant natural illumination, so that most of the time you don't have to turn on the lights. Extreme care has been placed into the materials used in the Y House to really make it feel like home. Sustainably forested timber forms the large standing desk in the study, and an extensive casing system built from reclaimed furniture allows for additional storage. And recycled Yale doors, chairs, and pallets form the large kitchen table and bench. While the east modules feature open living spaces, the western module contains appliances and equipment requiring specific task lighting.
Team Yale believes that the best way to socialize is to physically gather. That is why the interior space is more than doubled through an expansive exterior deck. The interior bench extends through the wall while the dining room table is mirrored to the outside. An exterior screen provides shading and encourages occupants to step outside. The arbor is topped by a 10.2 kilowatt photovoltaic array to provide additional shading while also cooling the panels for increased efficiency. This space is not just meant to bring occupants outside into the perfect Irvine climate, but is also meant to foster a sense of community within a larger neighborhood. That is why Y House physically opens up to the public through a large frontal ramp. A communal garden at its base, built with wood from Yale's very own Myers Forest, fosters a sense of community with neighboring residents. So welcome to Y House, where you can live a comfortable, sustainable lifestyle free from the technologies that make our lives so chaotic. Built by Yale for you. Y House.